So I've been getting leads, right? And I've called all of them. Two said no. Most of them went into voicemail. I think we talked about that.
Hmm.
I've now got WhatsApp and I've sent the ones that I could. WhatsApp, got one came
Yeah.
back, but then the rest haven't come back yet.
How
You
many
doing
leads?
this? Say that again.
How many leads
There's
total?
only eight. It's not that many, like 18
Okay.
leads total. But I'm just figuring out what the next step should be for the rest.
Just why don't you send them value? Like, why don't you send them like re-engage them, not from a perspective of like, hey, book a call, book a call, book a call, book a call. More so like, here's how, like literally send them a loom of a truth engine report and text it to them.
Of because my problem right now is we had the lead form and it asked
Uh-huh.
for business names. None of them filled that in and it still went through. So I don't even know whether they are like, hackers or whether they are
Yeah,
actually.
no, but like that, it doesn't matter. It doesn't matter because you don't know yet, right? So
So I
it's
just take it as if they are all
yeah,
cosmetic
yeah,
dents.
100%, like 100%. Like you have to understand, like, because how can I say this? You'd be surprised how how a sales customer journey happens, right? People click on an ad, they'll disappear. Like they'll click, they'll opt in. Some of them, cool. If you're getting a lot of lead flow, you'll kind of like get some that actually have something happen right there and then. But the truth is, they're all going to they're all going to forget. And then the way you get them back in, the way you get someone's interest back in is not from you're not like trying to, hey, go on a date and just come back home and just try to have a baby. No, 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 no. It's like, hey,
Yeah.
here's why you should trust me. Here's
Mm.
why. Hey, here is boom. So you're valued. Like you probably see how many times I do workshops. It's not because they haven't, I can't put that workshop in somewhere or I can't like give it. It's like, no, they have to spend time with me,
Mm.
not so much so for like whatever, whatever, but it's so much so that if I give them enough of content that makes them aware of what they're currently dealing with and then make them realize that like now it's time to change, then they're going to make a decision to do business. But the way that you do that is not selling to them. It's about like almost like be shifting beliefs. The way you shift beliefs is truly showing them a new playbook, a new process. So I would say for you today, tomorrow, hey, I want to help this client see how the top clinics scale. Show me their ads, whatever. Perfect. Show me their funnel. Find a competitor who's running a specific practice. Find all their ads, find all their funnels, and say, hey, here's how this practice that's doing multiple seven figures a year is solving it. And of course, find one that actually is doing a good job. Send them a loom about that specific breakdown. Say, this is what we want to help you integrate. Take that video, post it on your Instagram, post it on YouTube, text it back on GHL as an email and as an SMS blast. Do that twice a week. If you want to go crazy, three times a week. And you're going to see the 18 leads that ignored you fully, you're going to see them come back to you and want to give you money. So yeah, so that's kind of like if you can shift your mindset around, I want them to buy right there and then to no, now I have access to their phone number. If their the only issue is like, okay, if the email is messed up and the phone number out of all the 18 is wrong, okay, cool, then you're kind of cooked. But if they're not, it's the game is still on. It's just now how much energy are you re-engaging, right? You guys should see how often I re-engage. Have you guys, how many people here are on my email list? See my emails? Yeah. Have you guys ever gone 48 hours? Okay. Okay. Over the last month, I've been slacking off a little bit. I've been thinking a lot, so I haven't been sending as much. But for the last 4 or 5 years, the longest I've gone without sending something to strangers, maybe 4 days. 5 years. 5 years is in the longest I've gone without speak. And this 4 days is literally just email, but it's not like email. It's like if you combine, okay, I haven't sent an email and haven't dropped content, maybe the longest I've gone is like 2, 3 days. Because I know that whoever puts themselves out there the most frequently drops a value that helps someone think better for their own life, for their own business, is a person that wins. So when you guys, of course, you guys are still breaking through that initial momentum, right? The 0 to 1 is the hardest. But even the way you break through that 0 to 1 is literally from putting energy into the world, reinvesting back into your leads, reinvesting back into people that just entered your ecosystem. Meta is just a way to get people into your ecosystem. But what happens afterwards is where the game is won, right? But what's cool about solving this is that now you understand it and you can solve it for other businesses because 99% of all businesses do not do this. You'd be surprised by how many people have a good service, they do a great job, but they have no bone in their body that understands that strangers need to be reached out to. They need to be reminded that you exist. It is one of the greatest opportunity ever, right? Solve it for yourself, change your frame around understanding this, then go sell it. Yeah. 0 to 1 feels like a void. Yeah. Or you can just go, you know, post maxing and just dump maxing and just go every day, every hour. Just literally just post anything and everything. Just burn these platforms and you'll see. That's also another thing. It's like, if you posted 100 videos in 3 days, like they think it would be impossible for you not to get some some people wanting to enter your world. Yeah, but 0 to 1 is hard, of course. It's not, it's hard. It's meant to be hard. It's otherwise everyone would be doing it,